Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to show you the locations of the two fuse boxes and the OBD2 Diagnostics port. So we're going to start over the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. We're going to open up the door fully. So this is the position of our OBD2 Diagnostics port, just down in the footwell, and it's actually tucked just up there. That is our OBD2 Diagnostics port. Next we're going to go into the engine bay by pulling this lever here, coming around to the front of the car, and we're going to put our hand in just above the Mitsubishi badge and push the lever to the left. That's the lever there, and then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With the bonnet safe and secure, we're going to be looking over the right hand side of the engine bay. You actually got your airbox, induction system, your battery's tucked up under there, and then this is our fuse box. So we're going to use the tab on the front there just to push in. That'll allow us to remove the lid. Now inside the lid you'll actually notice there's some spare fuses and there's actually a fuse removal tool. And then here are our fuses and relays. Make sure you always replace your plastic lid and click it in, and then I'll show you the passenger compartment fuse box, which is actually found over the passenger's side. You're going to open up the door fully and it's actually just behind the glove box. So open the glove box all the way down. Over the right hand side there's a little shock absorber which is going to pull that to the right, and then that allows us to actually take off the glove box. So it's nice and easy. There's two positions there for the hinges, and then just behind there is actually our passenger compartment fuses. So we need the fuse removal tool from the front of the car in the engine bay, but our fuse designation is actually on the back of the glove box. And once you're finished there, just place the glove box back on like that, rotate it up, then making sure we pop on the shock absorber to the right, just clip straight on. And there we go. That's the two fuse boxes and OBD2 Diagnostics port on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.